So, bit of cleaning today. Probably going away for winter now. Let's run on it yesterday in the sun and then look at pissing it down today. So, giving it a bit of a clean toothbrush job on all this. Toothbrush on all this, all these parts. I've been using, I've got it on the bike ramp, so I've been using this WD-40 Total Wash. So just wet the bike through with it, let it soak in a bit, wiped it all off. So all the engine I've done with gunk degreaser, giving that a bit of a good clean. Everything down, all that down there. Nice and clean now. Just got to do with the exhaust, under tray, left to do. I think wheels are good clean. Hopefully I'll have been in every single bit of this motorcycle, every little nook and cranny is it's had a good clean. Even got inside down there. It doesn't take much effort, to be fair, when you've got a bike stand.
Coldplay and Beyonce in for the weekend.
So there we have bikes almost ready for winter to put a cover up over it, and can't wait to get it back out again next spring. First job is book a ferry over to the Isle of Man, so that'll be probably end of March, I would have thought. March, yeah, probably end of March, April maybe, and my mate will have his new Street Fighter by then, so we're going to run him in, well, run his in over the mountain and have a 5-day trip over there, so I can't wait to get biking again. So there you are. Bye.